Your passion is to shine bright. Let's find out what the cards has to say about your upcoming 2026 year. Um, in 2026, you will have everything that you wished for. All your good karmas are accumulated and giving you the results in 2026. You will have money, you will have luck, the world will be in your hands. So enjoy the new opportunities. Um, your air element will be really active in the new year, so utilize it for attracting new opportunities. Like your communication power will be really helpful to you to attract new opportunities, to gain monetary benefits. You may be able to do big sales, or if you are already into events management, this year will be full of luck and success for you. Only thing is that you have to, look beyond what you are able to see at the surface. Not everything will be gold. Like not everything will be a good opportunity for you. We say that all that glitters might not be gold. So you have to look beyond the clouds to find out what actually is the opportunity for you, what actually is benefiting to you. And once you have money, you'll have to balance it out. You'll also have to give to the needy. If you help anybody, that would be really helpful. It will again help you create the good karmas which you will be benefiting from in 2026. So utilize your air element, your communication power to bring in more success. There is definitely lots of growth and power in 2026 for you, which Leos normally loves. The path of light is to devote yourself to your mind, heart and will, because you already select the right decisions, right choices. You should honor your soul's need and trust in the connection with yourself and your God and with the universe. It will help you strengthen the commitment that you have with yourself, and you will be able to ground yourself in faith and in purpose. Thank you so much for watching and stay connected.